Jesus!
Luckily, the traffic light changes in time, and the potential for disaster is prevented. But not all drivers are as lucky. As a train approaches the intersection, an 18-wheeler decides to try to make it across. It looks as if the truck is in the clear, but the line of cars backed up at the traffic light forces it to stop as a 118-car freight train bears down. Although the engineer hits the brakes, it takes an average freight train over a mile to come to a complete stop. This train only had a few yards. The truck jackknifes and plows into the vehicle.
Som genom ett under skadades inte den här lastbilschauffören.
Bells ring, warning of an oncoming locomotive. The crossing gates descend, but the confused truck driver suddenly begins rolling forward. The semi stops before crossing the intersection. The driver seems unaware that the truck rests directly on top of the railroad tracks. The train engineer desperately blasts the air horn, hoping the driver will respond. The trailer is completely destroyed, and the wreckage is strewn for hundreds of yards. As for the train, it fares better, but will require major repairs.